Hi everyone. Let's talk about fitness and why it matters, especially for our hearts. Our heart is like a super important muscle that keeps us going. It pumps blood all over our body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to keep us energized and strong. Just like we exercise our legs and arms, we need to exercise our heart too. A healthy heart is key to living a longer, happier, and more energetic life. You'll be able to keep up with your friends, play with your pets, and do all the things you love without feeling tired or out of breath. But here's the best part. You don't need hours at the gym to make a difference. Even just a few minutes of exercise each day can have a big impact on your heart health.
Ready to get your heart pumping? Let's do it. This 5-minute workout is perfect for beginners and can be done anywhere, anytime. No equipment needed.
Minute 1. Start by marching in place for 1 minute. Lift those knees high and swing those arms.
Minute 2. Time for some jumping jacks. Do as many as you can in 1 minute. Remember, it's okay to take breaks if you need to.
Minute 3. Let's work those arms with some arm circles. Make big circles forward for 30 seconds, then switch directions and circle backward for 30 seconds.
Minute 4. Now, stand with your feet apart and squat down as if you're sitting in a chair. Hold for a few seconds, then stand back up. Repeat this squat for 1 minute.
Minute 5. Last minute. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a few seconds, and then slowly breathe out. Repeat this deep breathing exercise for the entire minute to relax your body.
Each of these moves is designed to get your heart rate up and improve your fitness. Marching and jumping jacks are fantastic cardio exercises. They make your heart beat faster, which strengthens it over time. Arm circles help improve your upper body strength and flexibility. You'll notice your arms feeling stronger and more energized with regular practice. Squats are amazing for your legs and glutes. They also engage your core muscles, which helps improve your balance and stability. Finally, deep breathing helps to calm your nervous system and relax your body after your workout. Section 4. Fueling your fitness. Along with exercise, eating heart-healthy foods is super important.
Think of it like giving your body the best fuel to run smoothly. Try to include these in your diet: fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your heart. Whole grains. Choose whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oats over refined grains. Lean protein. Chicken, fish, beans, and lentils are all excellent sources of protein that are good for your heart. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and olive oil contain healthy fats that can lower bad cholesterol levels.
Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Maybe swap sugary drinks for water or try a new fruit or veggie each week. Section 5. Quick tips for maximum impact. Here are a few extra tips to make your 5-minute workouts even more effective. Find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend can make it more fun and help you stay motivated. Put on some music. Upbeat tunes can boost your energy and make your workout more enjoyable. Listen to your body. It's okay to take breaks or modify the exercises if needed. Be consistent. Try to do this 5-minute workout most days of the week to see the best results. Section 6. You've got this. Remember, even small steps can lead to big changes. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The most important thing is to keep moving and make healthy choices a part of your daily routine. You are strong, capable, and deserving of a healthy heart. Now go out there and rock your 5-minute workout. Love, Cassie.